We have a living democracy, full stop. But we still elect politicians with a criminal record, some of whom cannot even read or write, full stop. We select candidates based not on merit and performance or ability to deliver, but on the basis of caste, creed, vote bank, etc. Full stop. We have a reasonable judiciary, but the legal system takes too long. Full stop. There is a growing feeling that people in power are above the law. Full stop. We have a free press and enjoy freedom of expression and speech. Full stop. But the fourth estate needs to be more incisive and critical. Full stop. Paragraph change. Our industrial base is growing at an annual rate of 9%. Full stop. We now produce from pins to aircraft, computers and satellites. Full stop. But we still depend on imported technology. Full stop. There is hardly any research and development worth the name. Full stop. We have no real new developments to our credit. Full stop. Yet Indians working abroad have earned a name for inventions. Full stop. If that is so, why not in India? Question mark. We badly lack adequate infrastructure, be it in the field of power, education, healthcare, and transportation. Full stop. Close.